Starsky&Hutch, 21st Century Environment Explorers. We just moved around a little bit from the main area of Galicia, Vilagarcia, and you can start to see here, there's rubbish here, all down here. You know, it's amazing how much rubbish there is. Look, it's all down here. Now the local people will know where I am, but every area has got to be looked at thoroughly. Look, there's plastic all down there. That's the start of the Atlantic Ocean out there. And look, it's 15th of December, and look at that. We've had hardly any rain, and we're going to have 5-6 days open to Christmas and Navidad of sunshine. Come next year, it's going to be a disaster. There's just hardly any water now, so if they don't get a really rainy season in January and February, there's going to be a huge problem come May next year. Now again, the local people will know where I am, and again on this little beach that probably nobody really comes to, and there was a factory around here, wouldn't we blame them. You'll find plastic rubbish, but you'll find these which we're going to have to do something about because they're absolutely everywhere. I just found 2 more. Okay, so look at those, bring that my total up to now, but see, they're absolutely everywhere. So once you just look, there's loads of plastic here. Actually here, look, there's another one. I just found 3 on this little beach. You know, probably nobody ever comes down to. There's another one, 4. So, yeah, absolutely everywhere. Come on, mate, come. There's a bit of one. It's a little bit broken off, that's, yeah, there's another one. Unreal, isn't it? Okay, we're in Vilagarcia, but the whole area of Galicia is fantastic. It's just only little bays and coves, and it's like a kid's adventure playground, to be honest. But again, the locals will know where we are now. But again, they just look down here. So all this rubbish here, all in there, and there've been thousands of little bits of plastic here. But you can just see, it's absolutely everywhere. Now, there's an interesting question. I don't get so many on the radios or TVs. It's always normally the same question. Again, it's about money. But, you know, the chap actually said to me at the very end of the interview, "Are you obsessed?" And for a minute, actually I thought about it, thinking, am I obsessed with all this, what's going on? And, you know, it's a hard question to answer. I mean, yes, maybe, but no, because, you know, I've had a fantastic life on this planet, and I really just don't understand why people just want to treat it like this. It's a unique, I keep saying unique, wonderful planet. There's nothing like it. There's nothing that we actually need that's not already given to us. The food is supplied, the water is supplied, the air is supplied, so much adventure is here. And look how we treat it. Look at all this rubbish here. And it's all plastic. You know, what is that worth? Nothing. To put a little bit of something in there, it's a mouthful. I keep saying it. We produce so much plastic. It's unnecessary. Just walking along this line here. Look. So, the question is, I'm not obsessed. I'm annoyed. I'm very frustrated. With people's attitude towards the planet. I mean, you know, it's like we all live here, we all need to share the beauty of it, and just destroy it for the sake of money. It's just absolutely ridiculous. And the attitude, laziness. There's this plastic here. Now tomorrow we're going to clean up just the main beach, but I've asked them to sort of like do it on a regular basis once a month, but I think they need to go around the coastline just here and try every little beach, you know, once a month, getting a group of people, of everybody from the police, the army, or anyway, any kind of people who are willing to do a little bit to help. It's a community thing that needs to be done. You know, how to go at people in Peru for doing this. People just come to the edge, you know, and just dump their stuff over. And look at all this rope. and stuff, just being dumped here. Now, I'm going to stick my neck out here. You can say quite a lot of that's to do with the fishing industry again. So how come they're not taking responsibility? I mean, it's got to be the fishing rubbish, you know. Here we go again, another pegs there, you can see it. So it's definitely the fishing industry. Now, again, I've got heaps of them here. There's about 30 I can see already of those pegs. One there. There's 3 or 4, 5 down there. 3 down there. Whole bunch of them here. Look at them. One, as I said, there's at least 30 here, you know. It's unbelievable, isn't it? In this day and age. There's a little beach. It's like, you know, it's nothing in size, and just look at all the rubbish being dumped here. There you are. Look at them all. This is what goes on. Okay. You see all that rope full of